Big swath of severe potential here and enhanced risk from South Texas all the way towards Ohio. Now you do notice that we get it kind of in the green in our northwestern communities. That's a marginal risk. That'll mostly come in the overnight tomorrow morning, but it's a dying band of showers and storms. When we show you futurecast, you'll see that that's the case. Let's take you through the day today. Could see some fog, especially in the southern half of our area this morning, so watch out for that. Otherwise, a fair amount of sunshine for the bulk of the day, and temperatures climbing from the mild mid-60s all the way back into the 80s at noontime, and we'll top off in the upper 80s. It will be a little bit warmer today overall. We're forecasting a high getting very close to that 90-degree mark. So here's the fog impact graphic. You can see that fog kind of nosing its business right up towards Highway 319 corridor and expanding towards Highway 82. So Highway 82 south, I-75 west is where we'll see the best potential of fog. That fog will quickly burn off here as the sun angle is much higher and those moisture levels not quite as high as they could be. We're going to see temperatures in the mid-80s still at 7 p.m., mid-70s 11 p.m., and then we'll get down to about 63, mild with partly cloudy skies and light winds. All right, here is Futurecast. You can see not much going on, just a few clouds coming in here, a lot of thunderstorms off to our north and west. That activity will try to move in here in the morning hours, but look how far it is to the west. Now, this was closer to us and more intense as we went through Saturday afternoon, but now it kind of falls apart, and there will be a few showers as we go into the afternoon, maybe some embedded thunderstorms. Again, the models are having a hard time picking things out, but you always got to go with what is in front of you, meaning that this is the most up-to-date modeling, so this is what we're going with, and the thunderstorm activity then will ramp back up into the evening and overnight hours, coming in from our northwestern communities and then coming in south and east. Again, it doesn't show much, and that's why we have a scattering of showers and storms and not the likely category, but I do believe that there will be some thunderstorms and they could be strong as we go in through Saturday night, early Sunday morning. The front then moves through by 4 a.m. here in Albany, area-wide by around 11 a.m. So we'll hold on to maybe a few showers for the morning hours on Sunday, then drier and cooler air do punch in as high pressure will build in. But there is this big upper low that's spinning here, and that's going to keep clouds and showers for them. But I think for most of the part, we'll be dry here in South Georgia heading into Monday and Tuesday. A marginal risk for severe storms encompassing just about all locations, only Fargo, Statenville, Lake Park not included in that down here in our southeastern communities. So 9 p.m. Saturday to 4 a.m. Sunday, marginal risk of damaging winds. Lowest level threat and only one threat, which would be the winds. I've taken the hail out of the forecast. We'll keep you up to date if that should change. So again, Saturday, the rain chance is 40% in the afternoon. It does rise up to 60% Saturday night, 63 to 85 Sunday. A lingering shower or two, 62 to 80, and a cooler start on Monday down to 56. So nice and cool here for Cinco de Mayo as we start off the day, and nice in the afternoon at 82. Warmer by the afternoon on Tuesday. We'll start off at 58, but get all the way up to 86. Next week, as we go into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even Thursday, it does look very unsettled. A different weather pattern taking over. We'll talk all about that and the rest of your forecast on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope to see you then.